Hi, welcome to DGP Star Vision. Today we shall discuss about initial hooks to strokes and curves. R hook to straight strokes. First we will see R hook to straight strokes. A small initial hook written with the right motion adds R to straight strokes. The straight strokes are, I will show you here, this is P, this is B, then T, then D, J, K, G. These are the strokes, straight strokes and horizontal strokes. A small initial hook written with the right motion adds R to straight strokes. So P is a straight stroke. P R like this hook. This sounds either per or pra. In the same way, B, bur. Next, T plus R, tur or tra. D plus R, dur or dra. It sounds che or chur. This is jur, dark J and right hook. Then cur, like this, like this. Then gur, like this. A small initial hook written with the right motion adds R to the straight strokes. These are the straight strokes P, B, T, D, Ch, J, K, G. It adds sound, then it becomes, when the R hook added to P, it becomes per, either per or pra. Then B, R, bur, T, R, tur, D, R, dur, Ch, R, chur, J, R, jur, K, R, cur, G, R, gur. Now we shall see the examples. Pray, like this, and second place oval. Then bright, bur, T, I diphthong. Then bigger, B, gur, bigger. Then cheaper, che, per. Here E oval will come. Here try, T above the line, I diphthong. These are the example. This is for per, pray, bur for bright. Then bigger, here gur has come. Then cheaper, again per, try. This is try. So these are the example. A small hook written with the right motion adds R to straight strokes. Now we shall see how to add R to the curves. Now we shall see R hook to curves. A small initial hook written inside the curves add R sound to curves. Whereas for straight strokes, a small initial hook has to be written with the right motion. But for curves, whether it is whether we can write with the right motion either or with the left motion, because we cannot add hook in the right motion to the curves. So here the curves are F, V, it, the, ish, Z, then yam and n. These are the curves. F R, if we add a small hook, it becomes F R, like this. This is with the left motion, and word, this is with the right motion. That's why I have not mentioned here the direction. It R, like this, a hook and it. The R. Then ish r, z r, m r, like this, then n r, like this you have to write. So a small initial hook written inside the curves adds r sound to curve. F r becomes fur or fra sound. Ver, it r, the r, ish r, z r, m r, n r. Now we'll see the examples of fur. See, this is the fur above the line. Since r oval is there, this is the oval of fur. Average. Oval, this is also first place, so above the line where you have to write, then J, average. Then author, third above the line, oval, this is author, either, okay, I diphthong. Then measure, M, shar, manner, M, ner. See, offer, for F there is an initial hook. Average, word, for V initial hook of R. For third initial hook of R. For third initial hook of R. For measure initial hook for ish. Then manner initial hook for ner. Now we shall see the L hook. Now we shall see how to write L hook to straight strokes. We learnt initial hook which adds R to the straight strokes and curves. Now we will look how to write L hook to straight strokes and curves. This is L hook to straight strokes. PL, like this with the left motion we have to write. A small initial hook written with left motion adds L to the strokes. A small initial hook written with left motion adds L to straight strokes. If we write with the right motion, then it becomes per. See the difference. If you write with the right motion, this becomes per. If you write with the left motion, this becomes pal. Okay, then it is bul. B-L. Either it is bul or blah. Then tull. T-L. Then D-L. Then chal. Ch-L. Then jal. Like that. K-L, kal, then G-L, gal. This is K-L and this is G-L. A small initial hook written with left motion adds L to strokes. Pal, P-L, B-L, T-L, D-L, Ch-L, J-L, K-L and G-L. Now we will see the examples. Ply. See. Above the line PL, here I diphthong. Then problem. This is with the right motion per, bul, then M. Problem. Vowel. Then enclose. N, cul, S circle. Enclose. Oval. Then blow. Bul with the oval. Then replace. R, P, R, pal, S circle. See, again I will repeat the explanation. A small initial hook written with left motion adds L to strokes. P with the left motion, if we write a hook, then it becomes pal, then BL, TL, DL, CL, JL, KL and GL. These are the straight strokes and horizontal strokes. Examples: ply, pal, I diphthong, above the line, problem, per, bul, M. Here enclose, N, cul, circle S. Here A vowel, here O vowel. Then blow, bul with O vowel. Replace, repul, circle S. Now we will see L hook to curves. A large initial hook written inside the curve adds L to curves. Here a small initial hook with the left motion we have to add it to the strokes, but for the curves we have to write a large initial hook because to make difference between fur and full. See, if we write with the right motion like this, it becomes fur. You cannot make a difference between if with the right motion, if I write like this, then it becomes, we cannot recognize this as full. So to make out the difference, we have to write a large initial hook written inside the curve adds L to curves, full, like this. This is the large hook. If I write like this, small hook, then this becomes fur. So this is the wrong way. That's why to make out the difference, the initial hook has been written here. Then wal, then tal, it and L. For other stroke, there is no L hook. This is shall. Shall, here there is a difference. We have to write upward like this, shall. Then ml, mul, like this. Then null, n, l. Again I'll explain. A large initial hook written inside the curve adds L to curves. This is fl, full, vl, wal, it, l, tal, ish, l, shall. This we have to write upward, always upward. M, L, mul, N, L, L. Sorry, N, L, null. Then examples, flow, C. Large hook, F, O vowel. Then double, here D, bul, a small initial hook with left motion for stride stroke. Since B is a stride stroke, a small initial hook has been written, double. Then camel, K, mul, camel. Then model, M, dull. Here again a small hook, because D is a stride stroke. Official, F, shall. So as I told you, shall we have to write upward, shall. Joyful, joyful. Hope you are clear now. L hook to stride strokes and L hook to curves. Actually we learned first R hook to stride strokes and R hook to curves. Now I explained L hook to stride strokes and L hook to curves. Now we shall see the grammar acts of this chapter. This chapter, principal or principally, both words you have to write like this. Per, through the line. Liberty, like this. Bur you have to write above the line. Member or remember, remembered. Bur on the line. Then number or numbered. Bur through the line. Truth, tur on the line. Doctor above the line, der. Dear on the line, der. During through the line, der. Che on the line, char. Cheap through the line, char. Larger above the line, jar. Care on the line, cur. These are the grammar acts. Principal, principally, liberty. This is through the line, per, liberty. Bur above the line, member, remember or remembered. All the three words you have to write like this. This is bur on the line, numbered, bur through the line, truth, tur on the line, doctor, der above the line, dear, der on the line, during, der through the line, chair on the line, chur, cheer through the line, chur, larger, above the line jar, K plus R curve on the line. These are the grammar locks you have to practice. In the next class, I'll show the paragraph containing initial hooks and straight strokes, L and R hooks, how to write and how to use in the paragraph. Till then, take care. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos on this. Bye-bye.